Thank you for joining me in this video about the secret lives of bees. Bees are truly remarkable creatures that are essential to the world's ecosystem. While most people are familiar with their role in honey production, there is much more to these fascinating creatures than meets the eye. One of the most interesting facts about bees is that they are social creatures with a complex social hierarchy. In a typical beehive, there are thousands of bees, each with its own specific role in the colony. This includes worker bees, drones, and the queen bee, who is responsible for laying all of the eggs in the colony. Bees are also known for their impressive navigational skills, which allow them to locate flowers and return to the hive with precision. They use a combination of visual and olfactory cues to navigate and have an internal compass that allows them to navigate even on cloudy days or in unfamiliar terrain. Another interesting fact about bees is that they have a sophisticated system of communication that allows them to convey important information to their fellow colony members. They do this through a combination of dances and pheromones. For example, a bee that has discovered a rich source of nectar will perform a waggle dance to inform other bees about the location of the flowers. Bees play a crucial role in pollinating many of the crops that we rely on for food, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Without bees, these crops would not be able to produce the seeds that are needed to grow new plants. In fact, it is estimated that bees are responsible for pollinating 1/3 of the world's crops. Unfortunately, bees are facing numerous threats that are putting their populations at risk. These include habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. In recent years, beekeepers have reported significant losses of their hives, a phenomenon known as colony collapse disorder. By understanding the behavior of bees and the threats they face, we can work to protect these important pollinators and ensure a healthy and sustainable future for our planet. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning about the secret lives of bees.